What? I recommend.
Sorry. Oh, sugar. Sorry. You have to. Yeah, edit it. This looks amazing. Bring it down.
Bring it.
Oh my god.
Sticky like Nike.
This looks so nice. I'm so happy with this. Oh my god, look at that. This looks so cool. So I still have to relax this? Or should I just mousse it?
I don't know what you're acting back.
Yeah, because I need it to like lay down so it looks nice.
So I can bomb that because it's smooth on mine.
Yeah, a little bit lower down. But yeah, this is, oh my god, this is lovely.
And one for the camera. Very easy.
So I've just had my hair cut by Ratty The Barber, as you can see. Got a lovely undercut or side design, short back and sides, and I'm very happy with it. It's one of his own creations. We did have some inspiration, but he decided to make it his own and jazz it up, and I am pleased. So yeah.